Right, what seeds are they?
Colour!
What's this?
Chibi.
Cinnamon stick. Should we put that in? Going to put this in. What's this?
Peppy!
Put some pepper in. Not a big handful of small. Let's see. Just a little bit more in. A little bit more. A few more. There we go. That's enough. Right. Shall we have a chilli?
No.
We have that chilli.
I love chili.
You love chilies? Shall we have that chilli? Ooh, what are these? Remember what these are?
Bent leaves.
What leaves?
Bent.
Bent leaves? No, they're called bay leaves. And what's this? What's that?
Coriander seeds.
Coriander seeds! Good girl, yes. There we go. Should we have some onion seeds? Yeah. There we go. We'll put some in the pan as well. Ooh, we need some. Do you remember what these are?
Pickles.
Do you remember what these are?
Pickles.
Smell. What are these?
What are they?
They are cloves, remember? Let's put them in. Cloves. How many did you put in?
Plenty.
Plenty! Good girl. Right, what else have we got? Shall we do some... That's 5.
I put them there.
There's a little bit of star anise. We have some star anise. Put that bit in. Oops, dropped it. There you go. And that bit. Right. Shall we do some... So these.
Pickles. Pepper.
No, don't throw those in. We need to just get them out. We need to get the seeds out, don't we? They're called cardamoms.
Cardamom.
Right. Put the seeds in. Open them up. Put the seeds in. I know.
One orange and one more red.
One orange and one red. Oh, they're the chilies.
And brown. On brown and red and orange. later. Oh. What are you doing?
Let's bring her away.
I'll do this one later.
You want to do this one later?
This one later.
Okay. In the fridge? What do you want to do with it?
Find it later in the fridge.
What with? Should we do that? Do you want to empty it out? 1 second, mind your fingers. There you go, you empty the seeds in.
Beep, beep, beep. I'm putting some seeds out.
You getting the seeds out? What seeds are they?
They are cumin.
No,
Are
they're
they?
cardamom
They're
seeds.
cardamom seeds. You getting the seeds out of the cardamom pods? What colour are the seeds?
Let's do this one. Oh! There we go. Right, do you want to do this one as well? Let's do that one. Can you smell them? Right, I think we're nearly ready to do the grinding. Yeah, put that bit of bay leaf in. Shove this in. Little bits of this. Little bit of turmeric. Right. And as it's lamb, should we put some paprika in to make it red? Put some paprika in as well. There we go. Right, you ready to do the grinding? Right, you put this
Cardamom seeds and
pepper seeds, and what else has gone in?
colour.
Hey? Right then. You ready to do the grinding? Oh, and again. See if it's done. No, no, no. Should we see if it's done?
Not yet.
You want to smell it? You want to smell it? Ooh.
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh, I think it's done.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Do you want to do some more? I think it's done now. Want to smell? Polly, have a smell. Do you like that? Is that done? Yeah.